try and do something that's never been done before. So basically, we're gonna try and go up to the top of that. It's kind of hard to see. I think once we get up there, we'll have a clear view of the reservoir down below. There's no trail that leads up there. It's just kind of like we're gonna have to bushwhack to get up there. I don't know, maybe we might be able to get up there by going here. I think I'm gonna try and get up here. But basically, if I can get up there, I think we'll have a pretty good view of the reservoir down below. Might be wrong. I'll just have to see. I think here's as good a spot as any. So it probably doesn't look that steep on camera, but it's pretty, it's not steep, but it gets steeper as you go down along here. I tell you, I'm out of shape. I try to stay in shape during the summer by biking, and but during the winter time I don't bike or run. I've really been lazy this year, so I'm out of shape, and I'm trying to get back in shape for the summer. This is much steeper than it looks. I think we're getting there. Ooh. Glad I didn't run into that in the summertime. I have no idea what's going to be up here. Looks like we might have a view. I hope so. It is like super windy today. And I think we're going to get blasted by wind here on the other side. I don't know if you can hear that wind or not, but it's whipping. See the reservoir down there. I always hate that. You hike up to the top of a giant hill because you think there's going to be a view up there, and it turns out to be nothing. You're not allowed to camp up here, unfortunately. It'd actually be kind of nice to camp up here. So this is pretty typical weather conditions for me backpacking. I always seem to get the windy, nasty days. I'd rather have just rain or snow than high winds all day. I got all kinds of sticks and stuff inside my boot. And no, I'm not wearing trail runners, because then I'd even have more stuff in my boot, or in my shoe. I think I've kind of turned into the guy that nobody wants to run into. You never want to run into the guy in the woods who's talking to himself. Down there's where we came from. Deer rub. Gotta come back for the camera. I'm gonna kind of follow this ridge line see if I can get over the water, but I'm pretty sure I can't go down this way. I really want to find a place where I can sit down and try and boil some water. Try out the MSR wishful light, see if it'll work. I don't know. We'll see. Personally, I like stoves that you can really use a windscreen for. but you're not supposed to use a windscreen with this stove, but I've done it before and I haven't died yet, but it's not recommended. It's really inefficient with fuel. I mean, it's cutting, I don't know if you can hear it, but it's cutting in and out. It just blows itself out almost. I guess I could find a more sheltered spot to set up, but by the time I search around to find a sheltered spot and, you know, find a nice stable flat spot to set it up, I mean, I might as well just carry a heavier stove that does better in the wind and get it over with. So I guess that's really my main complaint with the pocket rocket. Is that what it's called? I don't know, but listen to it. It boils your water. It just uses a ton of fuel to do it. I mean, I can feel the heat over here. And for $39, ridiculous. It is windy up here, man. Like 45-mile-an-hour gusts, I think. I'm sure it doesn't seem like it on camera, but man, it's windy. The temperature's not too cold out. It's like 32, just above freezing, 34 maybe in the sun. It's not too bad. It doesn't feel cold really. So I think what we're going to try and do is go down this way over here. I think we'll go down this side because we came up back there. I think we can go down that way. I'm not sure though. That's easily 40 miles an hour. Woo! That was a big gust right there. It's really no more dangerous time to be out in the woods than it is when it's windy. Always gotta look. I always thought it was funny how just a little walking around in the woods can really add up mileage wise. You know, you just kind of come out to a local area and hike up to the top of a hill. Next thing you know, by the time you get back to the car, you know, you're at 3 or 4 miles. And it doesn't even feel like it's that long. The wind's definitely dying down coming downhill. Oh, I just fell. Oh, this is steep. Man, it is slippery. Not sure the best way to get back down here. I think it's over this way. Made it. There's where we came from. That is a big clamshell. What the heck lived in there? I tell you, it really feels like you're in the middle of nowhere out here. But yeah, this is a real popular place in the summertime. There's not a whole lot of people out here during the winter though. I think it's part of the reason I like winter backpacking is because there's nobody out here. Well, like guess we'll head back. And I know there's another sandbar on our way back. We'll hit that, and then we'll head back to the truck. We're here to the other sandbar. I apologize for the wind noise. It's windy. Actually, I don't know if you can see, but right there, that's where I kind of want to go next time. I don't know if it's coming up on camera, but there's like a road, or an old logging road that goes right along here. And it goes all along this ridge, I believe. So I think I'm gonna walk out there next time. All right, guys, that's pretty much it. We got about a half-mile walk back to the car. I pretty much did this exact hike a week ago, and it was a good 2 miles, but I didn't go all the way to the top. So I think today we're probably going to be close to 3, maybe 3.5 miles, which is, it's not a lot, but it's funny because you kind of take these little walks, and next thing you know, you're at 3, 4, 5, 7 miles later, and you know, you can really walk a long way without even realizing it. So everybody out there who's watching, thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll see you next time. It's not that bad.